Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola G71 5G to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer. I already did that on an Android because it was taking really long to download, so I can open it right away. Click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to select receive on an Android and send on Motorola. Now tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, like this photo. Choose send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Android, choosing allow and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and click on receive. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!